day learners, I'm here to discuss something about quartile and decile for group data. But first, what is a quartile and decile? Quartile is a statistical measure that divides a set of data into 10 equal parts, with each part representing 10% of the data. While decile is a statistical measure that divides a set of data into 4 equal parts, with each part representing 25% of the data. Here is the formula in getting decile. dk equals lb plus kn over 4 minus cfb over fdk times I. On the left side is the definition of terms. And here is the formula for the quartile. qk equals lb plus kn over 4 minus cfb over fuk times I. And on the left side is the definition of terms. Here we have a sample group data. Using this group data, let us look for the second quartile and the third decile. First, we have to look for the decile. Remember that the decile is divided into 10 equal value and we have to look for the third decile. Before we solve the final formula, let us solve first for the dq so we can look for the values of LB, 3N, CFB, FD3, and I using the table. Here is the solution. D3 equals 3N over 10 equals 3 times 20 over 10 equals 60 over 10 equals 6.
Now that we have those values, we can now solve using the formula. D3 equal LB plus 3N over 10 minus CFB over FDX times I. Substitute the values until you came up with the final answer. So, D3 equal 50.5 plus 6 minus 5 over 7 times 5 equal 50.5, 1 over 7 times 5, 50.5 plus 0.14285 times 5 equal 50.5 plus 0.71425, so the D3 equal 51.21425. Therefore, 30% of this data is 51.2145. Next, we have to solve for the second quartile. Same with getting the decile, we also have to solve first the Q2 using the table. So, Q2 equal 2N over 4. Then, 2 times 20 over 4 equal 40 over 4. So, the Q2 is equal 10. We can now solve for the final solution using the formula. Q2 equal LB plus 2N over 4 minus CFB over FQ2 times I. Substitute the values and solve. Q2 equal 50.5 plus 10 minus 5 over 7 times 5 equal 50.5 plus 5 over 7 times 5 equal 50.5 plus 0.7142 times 5 equal 50.5 plus 3.571, so the Q2 is 54.071. Therefore, the 50% of this data is 54.071. So that's how we get the quartile and decile for group data. This is Group 2. Thank you and mabuhay!